It is very common for electrical short circuits to occur in construction sites or tunnels. These short circuits can result in serious accidents because the whole place becomes dark suddenly. I would like to introduce glow-in-the-dark products. It absorbs surrounding light and stores it. In the event of a sudden power failure, it turns on immediately. It can be considered as the most reliable emergency lighting system. Watch what happens when there is a sudden blackout or power failure.
1, 2, 3.
Glow products turn on almost instantly, giving enough light to move about safely. The easiest way to apply glow would be to use glow stickers. If applied on the DB board, it can give enough light to help the user reset the power supply. Glow stickers can also be pasted on construction helmets. When there is a sudden power failure, the location and position of each worker can be noticed clearly in the dark. There are many other ways glow products can be incorporated to increase safety in the event of a power failure. Speak to your glow consultant for more details.